In this video, I will show you how to turn Lego heart set into Christmas wreath. Made entirely out of Lego. I usually buy one from the shop, but this year I decided to get creative and make my own. Let's build! Here is a list of pieces you will need. I start my Christmas wreath by building the heart from Lego heart set. With the heart base ready, it is time to add green plant leaves to transform it into a festive wreath. I'm decorating it with yellow and red flowers to add that cheerful holiday touch. The first part of the wreath is complete. Now moving on to the second part. I will make a little ornament for the center. I got this idea and instructions from Lego magazine. Looks very easy to follow instructions. Let's build. Well, centerpiece is now complete. I will add a little hook for it. Green ornament goes so well with the wreath. And here it is, all complete and ready. It's making me feel so festive and full of Christmas spirit. Thank you for watching and have a lovely Christmas!